Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. So in this session I'm going to show you how you can blend an image to a background. I can blend an image to a background. So to achieve this feat, we'll be using this app, photo editor. We'll be using this app. You can get the app on Play Store, this one, photo editor. So I'll just click on it and to open. Okay, now I'll click on gallery apps. I'll click on gallery in order to import the background that I'll be using. Using this background, so this is the background I'll be using. Okay, now after doing the importation, I want to now import the image I'll be blending to this background. So I will scroll to my left and I will choose these two, text stroke image, this one. That will take me now to this page. From there now I can click this plus sign here. Then I click this image tool here. So from there now I can choose the gallery option, gallery A. So it will take me now to my gallery. From there I can choose the image that I'll use now to blend with that background. So this is what I will be using. I'll be using this. Okay, so I'll click on apply. So originally, looking at this image, see the edges of that image is too sharp, right? Now I want to blend it to this background. I want it to blend to this background. So I will click on the image, then I will click on this tool here. I'll click on this, I'll click on the image, then I click this tool down. Click on this tool. Then now if you look at the first option up there is blend mode, right? Click on blend mode. Then these are the various blend options. You have normal, source, add, darken, multiply, color bond, lighting, screen. I'll click on screen. Yeah, so this is what it will result to. Let me just increase. Yeah, so now see the image has been blended to that screen. Now if you look at the bottom, you see that there's still that sharp edge there. So let me just increase a bit. Yeah, to do away with that sharp edge, I just come here, click the same tool, go to opacity, try and reduce the opacity a bit to some value. You see now that everything has been fixed. Yeah, so with this you can blend any image to any background. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.